Hello and welcome to Balloon Art Online. I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today we're going to learn how to create a balloon teddy bear. So in order to create the teddy bear, I will inflate a balloon, leaving about 4 to 5 fingers of uninflated balloon at the end. Okay? Now let's start twisting the balloon from this side of the balloon and not from this side. Okay? So let's create a series of bubbles. One of the bubbles will be 4 fingers worth and the other is a round bubble. So the first 4 fingers and then a round bubble. And then we'll create another 4 fingers bubble. And another round. And so on. And there we have it. 4 bubbles of 4 fingers and 3 round bubbles between them. Now let's take this twist and this and twist them together. Keep in mind that we're not talking about the first twist, but the second here, okay? So we'll grab them like this and we will twist this part 3 times. Now, for some of you, this twist will come undone. This is not a problem. We will recreate it. Okay? Now, let's take this bubble here and push it just here. Now, let's take those 2 round bubbles and twist them into a pinch twist. If you don't know how to create a pinch twist, have a look at a special video I have just about this twist. Okay? Now let's make another pinch twist. And there you have the head of the teddy bear. Well done! Now, let's create the body of the teddy bear. We will create now 4 fingers worth bubbles, 4 of them, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I will twist this twist here to the neck of the teddy bear. Let's twist it. Okay. Now we'll take the remainder of the balloon and I will make a twist here and twist it into the twist here at the bottom. Okay? Now let's take the end of the balloon and twist it again to the neck. I will make a twist in the balloon and twist it around the neck. Just like this. Now as about the end of the balloon, we don't need it, so I will pop it. But I will not just pop it because we don't want the whole balloon to pop. So I'll create a very small bubble at the end of the balloon. I will grab the base of it, the twist here, and only then I will pop this small bubble. Just like this. Now I can leave the twist here and I will take the end of the balloon and I will tie it around the neck a few times. And there you have your teddy bear. Of course, I would recommend you to take a marker and to draw some eyes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check my website. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.